So when we moved to this area, we were looking to install an air conditioning unit. So I was going through the internet looking for providers, and Clean Air came up, and so I gave them a call. Colin is a very good guy, very easy guy to work with. He asked us what we were looking for, what we needed for our HVAC install, and he came over, gave us the best price, came up with the best estimate, and they did excellent work. I got estimates I looked at 4 different companies in the area, and he came up, not only did he come up with the best price, but also a great system. So with a lower price, you would expect a lower quality install or lower quality equipment, but that wasn't the case. I kind of gave him a loose estimate as far as my budget, and he did really well in coming in low on that estimate, or in that range that I gave him. So that was a pleasure, absolute pleasure. Yeah, they did real well. They make it a point to make your house ready to work in, and they make it a point to leave it better than they found it. Their work isn't clean, you know what I mean? So they gotta get into some dirty spaces, but miraculously you expect a house to be a mess, and it's not. It's clean when they're done. So they do a really great job. So timing-wise, I picked a bad time for them because it was my first summer here, and I realized, well, you do need air conditioning up here. When I called them, they already had multiple jobs online. So they made it a point to come in, worked within my schedule, and they were here after hours working late to try to get it in as quickly as possible. It didn't take them long at all. It was working after hours, just a couple days. And then by the 3rd day, we were up and running with our air conditioning. So it was excellent. I'd recommend somebody looking at having Clean Air install whatever they need, whether it's heating or air conditioning services, or even servicing fireplaces or hot water heater service as well. They do an excellent job, and they do it at a reasonable price. So you're looking at getting the best bang for your buck.